talaga. Nakikita ko yung mga tao natin from up north to down south, nandito sila ngayon, talagang nakisaya sa birthday ng ating company.
Practice lang to para kasama kami sa Europa. Next year, practice lang.
Well represented ang branches natin because I feel that this is where we should improve.
Ahora, Zamora, María, hermosa, arriba, Royal. Ahora, Zamora, María, hermosa, arriba, Royal. ¡Boom!
Mayaman ka man, mahirap ka man, mangmang ka man, kung anong klaseng trabaho ka, basta papasok ka sa Royal, yung kwarto ang opportunity na nasa Royal Business Club. The next Filipino multi-millionaire. Tio Ragun!
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going
support that the management of Royal is doing everything para bumibigay sa inyo the best company that you can have, and that is Royal.
Singing in a smoky room,
like wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows.
Power talaga sa bongga kami.
Streetlight people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to
Nakakalimutan itong company ko na Royal.
everybody wants a thrill.
For God, for His night, we thank you for blessing Royal.
Some win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues.
But ladies and gentlemen, naniniwala ako lahat ng meron ng Royal ngayon. Like I always say, lahat ng tagumpay natin, lahat ng naipundar natin, lahat ng karangalan na meron tayo ngayon, we owe it all to you, dear valued Royalistas. Maraming salamat sa inyo ulit. And the night is young. Let's start the party after this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and happy birthday to all of us. See you tomorrow in Manila. Good afternoon, good evening, everyone.
I never thought our members were this pretty and good-looking gentlemen.